Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make small crosshair in the finals. So as you can see here, I have really cool crosshair, and in this video I will show you how you can do that too. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to just go to Steam, and then you need to go to store and download crosshair v2. And once you download it, just open it and then open the game, and then you will see this window on the top right corner. And then here you can, if I press Z, I can change the color of my crosshair. So I like it red. Then I can change the shape of my crosshair. As you can see here, there is plenty of shapes, but I like this one. Then if I press C, I can change size of my crosshair. And then I also can do a bunch of different things in settings. So for example, if the position of my crosshair is not good, I can go with F4 in the settings, and then I can basically, if I press my arrows, I can move my crosshair, as you can see here. And also in game, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings, you need to go to gameplay, and then scroll down crosshair opacity and make it 0, because if you make not 0, you will see your crosshair as well. So make your crosshair viable here, and then with an arrows you can, as you can see here, adjust the crosshair with your position. So I think that's in the middle. And then you just need to go to opacity, make it to 0. And if the crosshair is not working on your game, make to windowed mode, not full screen, but windowed full screen or windowed, and then it should appear, right? And after that, you will get the normal crosshair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.